name is Eric. Guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Today's video is about engine misfiring problem of today's video. So for this car, it's Chevrolet Aveo. You want to check it one by one, and I'm going to show you the last two of the problem of engine misfiring. When your engine is misfiring, the step that you have to check one by one before you solve a problem, because sometimes somehow your engine you're able to change everything on the engine, that is your spark plug and everything, check but still misfiring. So let's go to it one by one and see how we tackle engine misfiring, and your problem is going to solve. I assure you, follow me. So as you start this car, you can hear the sound and you can see that the engine is shaking here. So this is the problem of engine misfire. When it's misfiring, you can see the problem. So we are going to take it one by one and solve this problem. Maybe you change everything, your first and everything, but your engine is still misfiring. Let's get to that level. So as engine is misfiring, we are going to solve the problem one by one. So let's begin. Okay, so as it happened like this, one, first diagnose. Yes, use diagnose tool to diagnose your engine. Yes, and give you the fault code. So if it's happened and you don't have diagnose tool, just open open your coil. This is the coil, we have it here. So this is the coil, we have it here. Because the coils, this type of engine is Chevrolet Aveo. The coils, you move your coil, then you check your spark plugs. Yes, check your spark plugs and see if the spark plug is okay. So first problem is to check your spark plug, if your spark plug is working or not. Yes, if your spark plug is working good or not. So first one, you change your spark plug right here. After that, if after changing the spark plug, make sure you get original spark plug for the car. So after changing your spark plug, then the still is misfiring, then you change your coils. Yes, so this type of coil is 4-1. Now you can see this type of coil. Yes, so you change your coils and see if your coil is no good. Yes, you change it and it's still misfiring. It's the process, it's still misfiring. Then you check your, you use types of different types of engine coils. Yes, if you are using different types of engine coils, coil cables, the coil wires. Yes, the coil wires. You have to check them if maybe it's leaking. So I'll show you a different aspect of the coils, and then the ignition wires and ignition wires. Right. So this is what I have for this car. So you change your spark plug, change your coils, and if you are using the ignition wire, check if and start and see if the ignition wire is leaking or not. If it's leaking, change it. If not leaking, then we are going different aspects again of the problem. Then the problem is not solved. You can see that the beginning the engine is shaking. One, after changing all these things and the engine is still shaking, then check the briefer of the engine. Maybe the engine, the gasket, head gasket is leaking air. It's leaking air. Yes, it's breathing. So sometimes you start the car, the engine will start and idle. You hear the engine is moving, breathing. So it's just leakage of the head gasket. And then the next one is the engine aspect. You know that if your engine is misfiring and it's changed everything and it's still misfiring, do you know that your piston can cause engine misfiring? Your piston can cause engine misfiring. So if the piston ring is if the piston ring break, or if it's leaking, the oil will come on the face of the piston, then your engine will misfire. Yes, your engine is misfire. So this is a step by step of the engine. So get to know the engine misfire. So this is what I'm talking about. That's the coil, spark plug coils I'm talking about here. So you can see that this one here can leak power. When this one is leaking, it can cause engine misfiring. So this is the coil. So you change the coils of this type of car, you change it, then you change your spark plugs too. So if it's still leaking, misfiring, then you know that your head is breathing, because sometimes you can see the engine is breathing. You go up and down as it is, like your timing is not yet set. Yes, your timing is not set. Where the air is passing under of the car. So the air is passing under the engine head. So this is the type of car you need to change the coils and then the spark plug after diagnosis. Then you check your. So I am saying that if it's still misfiring, your engine piece, your engine cylinders is at fault. Yes, your engine cylinder is at fault. The rings and the piston is leaking uh, into the crankcase. So you need to work. You need to work on it. Then you change. What you do is overhauling. Right. What you do is overhauling your piston rings, and then the piston itself has to be checked. Yes, has to be checked, have to be diagnosed and see, and then do overhauling and change everything of it. If not that, you have to buy new engine, because after checking all these things and then your is still misfiring, checking all the voltage and then the current of the coils, yes, and it's still intact and it's still overhauling, then you need to do that aspect. So this AK garage.